If you've been searching for a way to transform your text into stunning visuals, you might have come across Ideogram, but does it really deliver on its promises? Let's dive into this AI image generator and see if it's worth your time. Ideogram is an AI-driven tool designed to convert text prompts into eye-catching images. It aims to cater to creatives, marketers, and anyone who needs engaging visuals without the hassle of traditional graphic design. From my experience, the interface is quite user-friendly, making it accessible even for those who aren't tech-savvy. You simply input your text, choose a style, and let the AI do the rest. What stands out immediately is the variety of styles available. Whether you're looking for something sleek and modern or more artistic and abstract, Ideogram offers a decent range to experiment with. However, there are areas that feel a bit unclear. For instance, the exact algorithms behind the image generation aren't thoroughly explained, which might leave some users wondering about the consistency of the output. Overall, the tool seems to be a solid option for quick designs, but it's essential to keep in mind that it may not replace a professional designer for more intricate projects. Now let's break down some of the pros and cons. On the positive side, Ideogram excels in its ease of use and the speed at which it generates images. This makes it perfect for those who need quick and visually appealing content. The variety of styles is also a big plus, allowing users to customize their designs to fit different needs. On the flip side, one major frustration is the occasional inconsistency in image quality. Some outputs can be stunning, while others might miss the mark entirely. Additionally, the lack of transparency regarding the underlying technology raises trust concerns for some users. Pricing details are also somewhat vague, which can be a turn-off for those wanting to know exactly what they're getting into. Ideogram may not suit those looking for highly detailed or specific designs, but it can be a great tool for casual users and marketers. In conclusion, Ideogram is worth considering if you need quick, visually appealing images generated from text. However, if you require high precision or detailed graphics, you might want to explore alternatives. Overall, it's a handy tool with some limitations, but it could be a valuable addition to your creative toolkit.